Hey guys, I'm Misha. Let's take a look at our Friday. With no further ado, here it is. Here it is. Point 0.5. My biggest concern is it didn't correct the 0.5. That's my problem. All the rest is just perfect. The shaming and it's debut. It's all by the book. It's all by the book. Point 0.5, 0.5. But there is no 0.5 here. And that's the problem. So here it's so beautiful, except for 0.5. Except for 0.5. Boom. Bada boom. And it's white. For an hourly, it's white. It is white. Damn. I feel I need to let it go. This volume is good though. And it doesn't go. You see, it's like it consolidates here and down, down, down. Oh my gosh. Yeah, guys, I feel I need to let it slide. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? That's sad. But That's really something I should do. That's really something I should do. $200.5, right? And too high there on monthly, and it's Friday, so yeah. And look, there's bigger volume. That's another problem here. So that's our sign of strength. And both times we have a bigger volume on correction, so this is not a correction. You see my sign of strength? Oh, we have this volume here. Okay, so I'm gonna let it go. Yeah, help me. Close bearish. That's closes. Yeah, stay there. I'm doing something I should not, like, kind of like watching bars move. Perfect. Phew. So I don't need to make this decision now. So it's officially broken. Broken. And it goes down. And it's a transitional extremum now. And once it's broke, the whole model is broke, right? So even if it's, well, maybe for a quick trade, let's keep watching it because it's a transitional extremum now. Let's see what it does. But thank you, hourly chart, for taking this pressure off me. Okay, let's take a look at our days. Vlog, Roku, Yuan, Fosagra, Air Product, Target. It's gonna be good for a quick trade. Think it well. Yeah. Intel. Thanks God. I was worried about this guy and how we're gonna get out of it. Thanks, Eli Lilly and the gods of market for excusing me from this horrible decision. From this horrible decision. 905.94. $905.94. $905.94. Let's add commissions. It's like $3. No, it's more. Okay. All right. Okay, I'm glad I'm out. I was concerned about this one because it just got into it in the middle, like so up there, like right up there. Things got it's like just a small thing that happened, not a bigger correction. Yeah. Bye bye. They're good for monthly correction when it comes here. Where is it? Gosh, I was reading so much. Are you kidding me? Yeah. Rock, even at yeah. And I don't even know the stock. Good news. Good news. Gosh, it's a huge company. Okay, let's keep it, but yeah. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It's like nothing for us up here. Look at this. This Stellantis. What is my Stellantis? 1684. 1684 is now what I want. 1684. Uh-huh. Okay. Great job. I mean, at least something we're breaking even. Yeah. As I told you guys, easy Friday. Let's forming a test now. Why am I not? Yeah, it is hourly watch. If it comes here, but it needs to come here first. Okay, my list is getting better. I was concerned about Ella Lily like being stuck in there forever. This one is ugly too. This one is alright, I think. That this is also this is good, I think. So yeah, I'm getting better. I'm getting back in fit. You know what I mean? Will I take it like this? It's also kind of up there, you know what I mean? And this volume. It's all here. We're above it. Well, it didn't stop from the first time. It went springed again, and now springed. So. Yeah, this makes no sense on hourly. It's gonna be too low when it comes here. And the bar level was up there. This doesn't make no sense. Gosh, I'm so glad about Ella Lily. Lesson learned. No continuation of the trends for me, let alone shorts, before I break even on all my losing trades, which are many. 1, 2. This is still, it was not by system. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oof, just way too many. Yeah, you see it bounced from 0.5, but we don't have no level on hourly for us. It's a great question whether we want to pick it up from here. What does hourly say to us? Mm. Right here now. It did look like initiative takeover. It didn't really take over. It did take over here. It did break here. I don't know. I think we're gonna let it slide. It's a balance though. Just an imbalance, like waiting for this kind of movement. You know, maybe. I also like see how it upthrusted. No volume though. Yeah, I don't know. I think I shouldn't, especially on Friday. And it's not like Friday adds up anything special, but just, you know, intentionally like keeping your position over the weekend, and you can gap a lot over the weekend. Is all I'm saying. Oops. Hey, hey, hey. No, what happened here? Uh-huh. Mm. Mustang. Ooh, GM, bye-bye. GM just went. Qualcomm. This boats guy. One may argue that this is a bearish bar. Yeah, it's always so tempting to pick up the... Just take it like... From where? I don't know. Just like this. No, it's bullshit. Toyota... Apple... Yeah, this week I was just licking my wounds. It's okay. Getting out of two terrible trades in many senses even better than getting into new ones. You know what I mean? Uh, Cleaning up my space. I have a commitment. Uh-huh, you see? You see? Didn't go. I told ya. I told ya. There's no levels here though. Only if it goes here, like comes here, forms a level, and then goes back. Which is most unlikely. With this kind of volume though, who knows? Yeah, and times have changed after this correction. We gotta be like really more conservative. I have to be. Everything I say is not financial advice. Trade responsibly on your own. Oopsie stuck. Market can definitely like skyrocket in its last move. However, like market already signaled us to cool down and become more conservative. So my plan now is to get out of all the trades like this. I'm happy. I'm really happy. And see, like, I had this like vision that normally when market doesn't go, stock doesn't go, your price doesn't go your direction. You can keep it like 1 to 2. It will normally just go there. However, imagine like I kept it like 1 to 2 and it didn't touch my take profit, and then if it goes down, that's gonna be like, yeah, even this here, that would have kept me nervous over the weekend. So if my idea doesn't work, I'll just break even. End of the story. I don't want do nothing with stock if it doesn't go my direction. Just bye bye. That's it. Break me even, I'm good. There is like plenty of situations on the market. Look at this perfect exhaustion volume. Look at this super perfect exhaustion volume. And it's been already like springed. Spring that doesn't go right way. Yeah. Spring that doesn't go right way. We have time though, it can close any direction. This is not for hours. No, it is for hours, but it's not for the months. Yeah. Volume. So it looks down now. And no volume on spring, so good job not jumping into the stock. Pepsi. Silver. Sorry. Gold recently did its like all-time highs, I think. Yeah, I see SPY like signals us, dude. It looks like an exhaustion here, but it's like, dude, I'm in correction. FYI, I'm correcting. You see, similar pattern, except for Oki, one OK, one ok. What is it? It's like I'm gonna go fractionate, fraction, fractionating. Oh, natural gas. Okay. Political stock. And so are William companies. Not in terms of being gas or political, but just like grinding higher. Petroleum, natural gas and petroleum products. Okay. Trump claims that Biden administration makes a deal, that Dems make a deal with OPEC. I was like, to bring the price, oil prices down. I was like, what does OPEC get out of it? So why? So I see what you're saying, but like, what's the reasoning? I want to know like, what's one benefit, one single benefit for OPEC for keeping prices for their main product low? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. That's all I've got for today. So nothing. Friday. Well, what I like though, that like my list goes down. So these like old trades, I'll have to do something with them at some point. First blog, Roku. We'll see how. Like, yeah, this is not how the waves are born. So it looks like it's dying. This is not an old one, but it's like a silly one. That was immature. That was a good one, just didn't go my way. Air product goes my way. Target. I should have like become more conservative when it closed down the second bar. But yeah, like I did 2R on half of the position, and that's unfortunate. Intel. Oh, that's terrible. Yeah, that's just horrible mistake. Not a mistake, but misevaluation. I got in there like somewhere where around here. Yeah, in 0.5. I don't know. It just didn't go. Uh, yeah, that was a mistake. Like Eli Lily. Yeah, it's a T2 level for monthly, but look. But yeah, uh, I'm learning. I'm learning. I'll be sitting in the stock even more, so it can go like here. It can go anywhere, really. Doesn't matter now. I'll be sitting in the stock. This one I'm okay about. Yeah, it just didn't go my direction, but uh, should have been more cautious about this volume, I think. But it is what it is. I'm content with it. Ella Lily was, I think, by far the biggest. Oh, look at this guy. And then it goes. Well, it's, I don't like monthly. That's the problem. I should just remove it. You know what? I'll be mature. I'll just let it go. Yeah. So it's official, guys. I don't have anything for my hourly watch. I don't. So I see you by the close of the day. This one, I was like, maybe not. It's in a balance, but you know what? In a situation like this, I would want my take profit to be before the 0.5, even though it's a balance. If you want additional reasons, so it's only if it corrects. But if it corrects, it doesn't make sense. If it corrects lower than that, because now it's in 0.5, right? Yeah. So now it's in position to. If it goes like far below this 0.5, like here, then it's like too deep of the correction. So no, I should not be touching it. And comes to think of it, with a volume like this and correction like this, we need to wait it at least till the T2 level, you know what I mean? It's not correction from this movement, it's correction from this movement. So yeah, bye-bye, bear. This is below 0.5. Yet like more like a full scale. We need the volume though. We don't have volume here. I don't know why it's daily watch. What I'm looking for on daily. It's a little bit deep, but I think still doable. Okay. Like Costco, also like too deep, but doable. Considering volume distribution on hourly, that actually wouldn't be bad. It's in this like balance here. Yeah, it's not bad at all. GM we've missed. It's the same pattern. It goes and then says bye bye. I don't know how to work with automatic rallies. I know they exist and we can see them all across the board in the market environment like this, but just I don't know how to work with them. So I miss them all the time. Just miss them. Volume. Oh, we didn't reach the monthly level, so yeah, we need to go to monthly. Yeah. If you want to take Verizon, Misha, look at this stock. It's a bar level. It's not a wave level. But in Verizon, like wave level is so it's been like approached multiple times. And as long as it holds, it holds. But of course, like there is only one fight at every level, so there is only one time that buyers and sellers figure out who is stronger. So, and that's basically the best time to take a trade is after the test. So there is like a fight, and then you see who's winning, and then you see test, a confirmation of weakness in the opposite direction, and then you get to go. Yeah, Verizon, like it's already been manipulated, and now it's like tested, and Even here, it's in neutral zone now. Yeah, no. Even if it goes, I mean, it's a good decision to let it go. Thank you, Ellie Lily, and bye bye. uh, yeah. Okay, you guys. This needs to be cleaned up too in some time, but that's our primary goal.